But this is what I was after. It's very well packaged, we'll give them that. We have in here a new pump. So yeah, hopefully this will go on the pressure washer and we'll be able to get back into action. Fantastic. And this pump should fit this engine. So yes, good news is this does fit and the bolt holes line up. I think it's kind of like a universal fit. I think this is a 3/4 inch one, which will be 19.05 diameter of the shaft. I think first job is I need to clean up this shaft and then get the residual rust off it. So I've cleaned up the shaft. I've got my Keyway key to go in the Keyway. So that'll just go in, find something which isn't a hammer and hammer it in. But first thing, I just want to put a little bit of copper grease on here. It'll just make disassembly in the future. Pump is nearly clocked 12 o'clock, so you also need to line it up and then boom, there we are. It also came with new bolts. I actually kept the old bolts off the old pump. They were like cap head ones, but it actually comes with hex head, which is much better in my opinion. You get a bit more torque on them. So I'll put these in. So that installed really easily. The bolts came with spring washers as well, because obviously this is a rotating machinery, lots of vibration. It could come undone. Undo the plug, which is that black plug there. Install breather plug, which will be this thing here, and then it says check and add machine oil 15W40 or 30. So there's a little sight glass on the side. Oh yeah, there you are. And that needs a bit of oil in it, which could be why the old one stopped working. So that should just come off quite easily. I'll get this breather installed. I think we're good to go. Put a hose end fitting on. It didn't actually come with one. Luckily I had one in my box of bits. And a correction from before, you don't put your soap in there, you put your soap in there. That's a thermal cut-off of the pump. So, shall we see if this pumps? Right, kind of ready to go. That hose fitting is the wrong fitting, it leaks quite a lot. But we should still be able to test the pump. That is powerful! So that's what we call a win. Really happy with that pump from Friday Parts.
Friday Parts, fix it once, fix it right.